Hey friends, Neil, Window Effects. I'm going to show you how to reverse roll a back windshield in without getting a speck of dirt on there. A good little trick for you, because sometimes it's hard to Frankenstein one in here. This seat right here has that middle headrest. It kind of sticks up right here at the top, so it makes it a little difficult. I mean, I can do it all ways. It's always good to know everything. I can Frankenstein one in there, reverse roll one in there. Just different options that you're going to want to have in your tool belt. So, as you can see, like, I'm sitting in here and I'm gonna get to where that liner is on the opposite side. Once I roll it, I'm gonna hold the film and I'm gonna roll that out. All right, I don't want this to flip back on there. See how that piece is flipping up? So I can spray that with water to get that to go down. So once I roll 3/4 of the window, then I can get underneath it and Frankenstein this thing in here. Okay, that way I can line up my bottom and my right edge. Tighten up that film. You can see the light gap go away on the bottom down there, so that means my bottom's in. So now I can slide this over here. Now I'm into that side, lined up, so my tint's perfectly lined up on the whole thing. And so what I'm gonna do now is grab this liner, and now I can lay this tint down on the front side and unroll this back off. Just like that. And then I'm gonna get my hand underneath there, do like a little sprinkle finger. But if that wants to hold again, I can shoot that down like that. And I can tighten up the film with my hand right here. And you can see that little light gap on the bottom. Got a little light gap on the left here. So I can slide that film right behind the pillar. Make sure I'm all lined up. All my light gaps are covered up. And we're good to go.